Hi, this is John at Thousand Oaks Insurance. I'm your trusted advisor, and I'm here to make this vehicle change as smooth as possible for you. There's just a few pieces of information we'll need to provide the insurance company to make this change. The first of which is this an additional car or is it replacing one of your cars? If it is a replacement, we just need to know which car it is replacing. All right. Next item is we'll need the year, the make, the model, and the 17-digit VIN number. VIN stands for Vehicle Identification Number. It's typically found on the dashboard, somewhere in the door, depending on what type of car it is. And a quick note, the letter O, as in Omega, is never used in this VIN number. It's always going to be the number 0. Third item, the current odometer reading, which simply represents how many miles this car has been driven up to this point. Fourth item we'll need is, have you had any aftermarket parts added to the car? If so, please let us know what modifications you've made and their approximate value so we can make sure that these aftermarket changes are insured to their full value. The next item we need is how you plan to use the car. How many miles will you drive it each year? Will it be used for pleasure, meaning you drive around town, it's a weekend car, you don't use it for work at all? Is it used for commute? You drive to and from a single location for work? Is it used for business? Business use means you drive the car to multiple locations on a regular basis in the course of your job. A common example of this is if you're a realtor and you take the car to showings at different houses, different locations each day. That's a very common example of business use. Please let us know if you are planning to use the car for any type of ride sharing or delivery. This is typically excluded by personal auto insurance policies, and it's important we have this information in advance to make sure you're properly insured. The next item is, did you purchase the car outright? Did you finance the car or did you lease the car? If you financed or leased the car, we do need to list that company on the insurance policy, and usually your deductibles cannot exceed $1,000 in most cases. So please let us know the name and address of any lien holder, any lessor. Further, for new vehicles, and if your vehicle is leased, what's called gap coverage might be available for you. Gap protection, it helps pay the difference between what you owe to pay off the lien holder or the loan and the market value should it be a total loss in an accident. So if you'd like to add this, please let us know. It's usually very marginal difference in premium to add it. It's very affordable. The lien holder and the lessor information with the lease end date, it must be added to your car if you would like to add gap protection. Finally, we do need to document the condition of your vehicle. This is accomplished by taking a few simple photos. So you can take one photo from the front, the back, the passenger, and the driver's side, or this can be accomplished in 2 photos taken from each corner of the vehicle, from the front looking down the driver's side, and from the rear looking up the passenger's side. Once we receive this information, we can go ahead and amend your insurance policy and provide you with a copy of your updated identification cards. You'll want to keep a copy of the ID cards in the vehicle. It's also a good idea to keep a second copy in your wallet or somewhere that's very easy to access, just in case you need it. And finally, I'd like to extend my thanks to you for being the best part of Thousand Oaks Insurance Agency. I'm here as your trusted advisor with any questions you might have, any concerns. Let me know if you need anything. Thank you so much. I'm wishing you a wonderful day.